What's up, everybody? Today, me and my cousin G-Rod are gonna be roaming around the worlds of VR chat, messing about. Oh yeah, and I hope you guys liked the thing I did at the start of the video. I took me a while to make it. I'm making one for every one of my friends, so every time they're playing with me, you'll know who be there. Every time it's Ash or Phantom, you'll see. So I don't want you guys having surprises to see who's playing with me and everything. It's most likely always gonna be G-Rod and it'll rarely be Zombie. But yeah, you get the point. We're just waiting for G-Rod right now. We're waiting for him to join so we can get this started. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We're just gonna roam around, probably mech or mucker out. I'm probably gonna roast a few Phantom Pain. Yeah, I'm joking. I only do that if they make anyone I know mad, and I've done it a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys some of my new avatars I use a lot. I'm looking for my. Don't ask. That's nothing. You know. An avatar I started using the most was L Chip. I used L Chip a lot now. An avatar you'll most likely see me using a bit is this guy or Jevil. You might see me using Jevil a tiny bit. But I mainly use these two skins for like FNAF maps or Shiza. I don't need Curious George and I'm just this is one avatar I'd be a lot for my role plays and stuff. I got an axe. That's oh, I can throw my axe. Knife. I use this one for if I want to role play, customize. Oh, let me. Now we have to wait for Gable to join VR chat or Gorilla Grodd or G-Rod, whatever you want to call him. He's my cousin, so you better respect him and all. I'm joking, but still, do respect my cousin. I'm calling him. He's trying to call me on Discord. Let me chat. Uh, Jimmy. Start a call with Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Bruh. Call Jimmy. He wanted to record today. Just. Hey, I can still move my hands. That's neat. I can do this if I need to. His pride, his faith, his trust, and his bonds. I guess he wants me to call him on Discord. Sorry if this is hurting your guys' necks. I have to do this. I'm a little rabbit. Hello.
Yeah, Chris.
Why aren't you calling me on the VR? Has something wrong?
Because the VR wanted to be a bitch and not turn on and stay dead. Even though it's been charging all day.
Well, you wanna just play some Roblox? I can try playing
What's
on my
Roblox?
VR. I got a few games we can and can't play though.
You're glitching.
Is it better? Is it better?
Just one question I have.
Yeah, well, you know I might have to
Simple
choose
one.
the game, right?
Oh yeah, that's okay. Just please be something.
I can try. Let me see if Piggy works.
Yes,
I'm joining a game
Piggy
right now. Let me go into
anniversary
build
quest?
mode so we
What?
can.
Oh, Piggy! I forgot about this game.
I know. I got an idea on what we can do. We can try. We can try
This was
making.
the best game on
Our own map if
Roblox,
we need
right?
to. Yeah, this is one of the most popular games on. What is this platform behind me? Okay, go to build mode and then just go to build mode and then type in my name. You know my name, right?
What?
Go to build mode in Piggy and then press join servers and then you should be able to. You remember my Roblox name, right?
Hey, Chris, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Chris?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes,
I don't know why it's doing.
I can
Okay,
now, but
is my mic working good and all?
yes.
Okay,
Yeah, it's working good, yes.
go to build mode and then click join room and then type in my Roblox name. You should be able to remember my Roblox name, I hope.
Joins. You're using your original account.
Yep.
Randy.
Remember, the B is capital. I guess on this map, we're just going to be making our own world for now. But we have to think of what we're going to make it. Oh, wait. No,
Brandy, frick, I forgot what
Okay,
else was
okay.
in your name,
Brandy 22 3D is my sis. I'll just...
Brandy 22 3D is...
I sent it to you on Discord.
This... The server is invite only.
Huh. Let me go to settings. Privacy. Okay, I put it to friends. So you should be able to join now. I sent you my
Okay,
name on
now we'll click
Discord.
on
Oop, accidentally went to the type.
Control C. That's okay. I'm literally just copy and pasting.
Okay.
It's literally the funniest thing to do, just copy and paste stuff.
I'm making the map ginormous.
So what are we doing?
Okay, we're gonna be making our own map today.
Hey.
Yippee, fun. But we have to think of prompts for our map.
That's a fall
I
through the map.
accidentally deleted the map so I could make the map grass.
Hey, how do I do stuff?
Oh
'Cause
crap, let
I
me give
can't
you
do
perms. Let me give you
anything.
perms. I have to give you perms. Let me go to settings, game, change bot skins, change survival, force, time, day, respawn, change allowed abilities, player sprint. No, not that. Ash did it before, so I hope. Oh, server, whitelist, team builders, team builders. Yes. Okay, your names. You should be able to build now. Are you able to build? Gabriel,
Yeah.
are you able to build now?
Okay. That build mode stuff.
Make the map ginormous.
By looks of it, that I'm looking
It should just be at the bottom of your screen where you can place blocks and
for
stuff.
stuff I can do. The answer is no, I cannot.
Hmm. Try respawning or jumping off the map. Can you hear me? Gabriel. Gabriel.
Yes.
Try respawning.
Can't.
Oh
I
wait,
can't
follow me.
respawn.
Try leaving and rejoining, I think. Because I think for some reason the game has to be annoying like that.
Probably.
Whitelist. Not here today, he comes back to town, so I say we need him by the beaches. I say we wait till he arrives. When he docks his ship, we can breach him. Today we can strive and hold him down.
Ooh, do you want me to play that?
Nah, I'm good. I'm just singing because I'm bored as hell. Waiting for you to join me, join me.
I know something that's gonna make you happy. Hello.
Are you able to build yet?
Testing the controls. No.
God damn it.
I don't think I can.
Settings again. Settings. Did it work?
Oh, I can build now.
Oh, I have to press save. Okay, what should we build the map for?
I think I know. Let's have like let's use it for like I try and for what was it?
So basically we have to build like a piggy map for now, but we have to think of what type of piggy map to build.
Wait, why not we try and like build a piggy map for like if we all want to go ahead and try to if we all try and play this, why not we make one that's like themed like the Digital Madness server
Oh yeah, we can try that.
or the AU.
So we can basically try mixing all the Digital Madness maps into one. For example, the McDonald's map.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start working on the
Yeah.
McDonald's
Yeah.
area.
I I'm gonna just help you with that.
Okay, so click on the plus and then go to the eyedropper tool if you want to copy the block I'm using.
eyedropper tool.
Yeah, right now I'm not using a block right now, but the minute I do, you should be able to use it.
I can.
Okay, let me just use the grower tool. That's the paintbrush tool. I'll get rid of it.
Yeah. I'm gonna just build the outline. So how big is this meant to be?
I'm working on making the thing. This is the main room. Like, I don't think we need to make it any bigger.
I like things even. Even.
Okay, this should be good enough. Now we have to. Now I'm gonna place a block right here and make the wall. You may be wondering what tool I'm using. I'm using the growth tool. Been so gracious, and yet you are the son of mine. That's right. Anyways, everyone here, if you want to play this map, I'll put it in my DMs or like below in the descriptions when I'm done when everyone is done building it. Probably not going to be done for a while.
I'm trying to build like a way up, but I can't turn the block. How do I do this?
To do that, you have to this isn't bad. To save lives and won't kill and don't get the job done. I mean, you totally could have avoided all this have you just killed my son.
Do you need this block or can I just get rid of it?
Right now I'm doing this.
Can get rid of it.
And you let him leave.
Wait. Bro, what you... Wait a second. Let me just delete the wedges I put.
Anyways, guys, if you're wondering what this map is going to be like, it's going to be based off of the Digital Madness. We're going to be placing Easter eggs and... Stop!
What the frick?
Well, not have to let me just replace the floor very quickly. I was scratching my back and then it instantly just deleted itself. No, don't delete that floor. Delete those floors very quickly. I've been so gracious. Let me place
It's
this block and
fine.
then use the growth tool. Make the map ginormous. Yeah, this should be big enough. Maybe even too big.
Bro, you should have made too big. Bro, now you gotta minimize it so I can get rid of this. Random patching it
Oh no,
down.
that has to stay because it's where we spawn if we want to rejoin this map, and it kind of is unremovable. I'm not even
It is
joking.
removable though.
How the
I
fuck?
literally,
I did not
bro,
click
wait.
that.
Okay, let me try something. Wait.
I'm promising you this block ain't removable, but okay.
But I just removed the side. That's weird. Yeah, I believe you now.
Whiz open this bag. What? Remember me. Okay, do not click the delete tool, note to self. Since apparently I have a habit of doing that. Yeah, but you don't need to do that. I can easily do that quicker. Stop placing blocks. Gibble, stop placing blocks. Okay, don't delete them. I can fix it. Calm down. I swear to God. Pride is a damsel in distress. You can just use the resize tool if you need to make the thing bigger. You build that wall, I'll build this one.
This is fun. Wait, should we have a second like way to get up to a roof?
Yeah, but we would have to build stairs, and this is meant to be a
I can do that.
This was meant to be a McDonald's last I checked. McDonald's don't have stairs, and
Well, a two-story one does.
yeah, but we're not building a damn two-story damn McDonald's. Who the hell builds
No.
a two-story built McDonald's?
Uh,
Don't you dare tell me. I don't need to know.
me.
We don't need no damn two-story McDonald's. It's a McDonald's, not a hotel. Thunder Wheel. Your act of crime. You can go build your own thing if you want, for your own little map if you want.
Let's do that.
Okay. Please don't make the same mistake I did by deleting the fucking floor.
I will not.
Do this, don't make me do this. When does a comet become a meteor? When does a flower become a blade? Take the suffering from you. I can't wait to see what he's building. You know, you don't have to use wooden blocks. There's many other blocks.
Well, I'm thinking. I'm like, wait, we need a. Wait. Actually, yeah, I'm trying to make something. You might get the reference. Some viewers might get the reference, but completely depends.
Someone's gotta die today, and you have got the final say. Choose. I'm almost done with my floors. White part of the floor is almost done. How about you?
Hey, I need to wake you up this. How do I get up?
Uh, crap. I didn't think about that. What are you trying to build? Go. That's where our paths collide. I've got a reputation. I've got a name to uphold, so I can't go letting you off the rainbow. Oh, I raise the tide so high, all of Ithaca will die. Get in the water. Get in the water. Both your wife and your son will drown. Get in the water. Get in the water. Don't mistake my threats for bluff. You have lived more than enough. Get in the water. Get in the water. I'm gonna shut my freaking mouth, 'cause this is getting very real devout. Sorry guys if this video is boring, but there's nothing much on my YouTube schedule. And yes, I know it's been like almost a year since I posted, but I'm getting into better content right now. Like, you know, Roblox VR. I'm looking for editors, not paying. I'm joking, I'm my own editor.
Hey, Chris, Goss, what the giant thing is for, please.
Wasn't planning on it. You know, now I'm definitely curious. Okay, bro, stop placing damn blocks. My game keeps forcing me to place blocks. Anyways, guys, if you want me to do some trolling and duels, I'll do that, but with a friendly person named Zombie. Because I have voice chat and so does he. And I know some of you have been getting confused on why I keep calling him a she and a he. That's because he identifies as a boy, used to be a girl, but I keep forgetting that because I have bad memories, so don't go saying, oh, he's a fake friend, bro. I have something called dumbassness. Well, it has been very silent. Gabriel, can you still hear me? Gabriel? Ugh. In the middle of the night. Going insane. Or did he learn to get colder when she got older to then to save them the pain? Oh crap. Yeah, well, can you hear me?
Yep.
I don't know why my mic keeps turning off. You know, Gibba, I wasn't gonna ask what you're building, but now I'm curious. What if
Okay, Okay. Hey, do you remember that big platform in the middle of the strongest battlegrounds?
Oh god, you're doing that. You know the floors nor
No.
wall.
Yeah, I know they don't match. I'm gonna change them, but but that's based off of the Cell Games arena. I'm
Oh,
making the Cell
Oh, I was
Games.
wondering why it looked familiar. Guys, if you can't hear him, he's building
See?
cell games. He's building cell games. If you don't know what cell games is, watch Dragon Ball Z and you'll find out.
Yes.
Cell is an android. He was sent to, I don't know why he was built. I forgot. He is basically made to destroy stuff, but he's kind of an anti-hero because he actually has done some good.
Yeah, he
He
has.
stopped a meteor from hitting the Earth.
Yeah.
But still, he did kind of almost
But then there's Cell Max.
Yeah, Cell Max almost obliterated a planet with something bigger than a meteor.
Actually, hey, you wanna know what's so funny? The bomb that Cell Max used was actually he was actually using his life force to do that.
Bro really wanted to beat Gohan that bad.
Bro really just said, "No, I'm tired of this child. I'm murdering everyone."
And yet
That's what bro really just said.
And yet he still lost.
Bro, I know. I couldn't get the exact thing, but I got the closest thing, which is
Athena. You can just search up what the Cell Arena looks like, right? My palace desecrated, sacked like Troy. Worst of all, I hear you dare to touch my wife and hurt my boy. I have had enough.
I mean, it's meant to be. Anyway, I'm thinking, hey, why not we have some fun, and we try and see if we can make a custom boss spawn, like.
Oh, that would take a while.
Yeah, but yeah, that's why I'm thinking. It's Cell Games Arena. We might as well just have something special, like we try and put like Cell Max, maybe.
We would have to look for someone with that avatar.
Or we could just like try and do a zombified Ash.
Gabriel, no offense, but Ash is already zombified.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, why not we just like make Ash it and we give her AU abilities?
You know, Piggy is based off the game, right? You can only do stuff Piggy, the mini tunes the developer added.
Yeah, that sucks.
You don't
Hopefully,
understand it. This man plans for every fight. He's dead. You cut off the serpent's head. Now the rest of us are no longer a threat. Oh, King, forgive us instead, so that no more blood is shed. Let's have open arms instead. Penelope.
I honestly think Odysseus should have just done that from the beginning.
More cunning than I assumed. While we were busy plotting, he hid our weapons inside this room. I find it hard to believe that the sharpest of kings left his armory unlocked. So what? Now that we have armed ourselves, let's make the bastard rot. Throw down those weapons, and I assure you'll be spared. After seeing what the king will do to us, we wouldn't dare. Not hurt you. Trust me, I've come prepared. Your very own presence doomed the king, young prince. We don't fight fair. We company, and he made a great mistake. Left the weapons room unlocked, and now they're ours to take. Brothers, come and arm yourself. There's a chance for us to win. We can still defeat the king if we all attack the prince. Where is he? Where is he? After him, he's the greatest chance. But till the prince can barely stand. Queen, obey our commands. Hold them down, hold them down. We won't now break the king's hands. Oh, did someone just DM us? Ugh, that hurt my back. As
What did they say?
my family's fate is left unknown. You plotted to kill my son. You planned to rape my wife. All of you are going to die.
Done me wrong. This will be your fate.
Hey, I'm gonna put a whole lot of ammo right here, and you can get the ammo. Just first you have to find the
I
gun.
find it hard to believe that the sharpest of kings left his armory unlocked. So, now that we have,
Hey, Chris.
what?
Can you make a secret room
Uh,
and just edit that out? Because I want to have a secret room that so I can place this gun on there. Because I put a whole bunch of ammo there. And I'm thinking, hey, why not? I'd have a secret room for the gun. And they can't have the gun until they claim all that. Well, they can have the gun after. They can have the ammo. They can have the gun after. They can have the ammo after they get the gun. God, I studied
It's
a
just
lot.
one life to take, and when we kill him, then our journey's over. On me now, mistake is not allowed.
So what do you say about it?
Do this thing. I have no idea what you just said, Gable. I'm deaf in one ear. Gabriel, respectfully, I'm deaf in one fucking. I'm deaf in.
Okay. I want a secret room to put the gun. They can only claim the ammo after they get the gun.
That is who we're fighting.
Why did you just say that out of nowhere?
Anyways, pa do dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, and guys, you want to see the things I made for my YouTube channel so you guys know who's playing or not? First, we got mine. Combat! And then we got Gabriel's.
I like the one you did for
And then we got Ash's.
And
then we got Seth's or Phantom's.
Yes. Phantoms will look sick though.
Wow.
And the Phantom's pictures just has a gun.
Lol. Okay, time to build.
I do have a question though.
Yes.
How did you like change your picture? Cause I've been trying to figure out how to do that. I cannot.
You have to get a screenshot of the Shiza. You have to get a screenshot of whatever you're trying to get a thing of, and then boom. It's actually very simple. Yep, and then when you're done with that, you have to go to your account and then go to edit and then boom. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, he's asking how to change your profile pic on Discord.
Hey, please do not change your.
Okay, time to start making this look like a real McDonald's, Mickey D's. Brothers, come and arm yourself. There's a chance for us to win. We can still defeat the king if you all attack the prince. What'd you say?
Okay, I wanted to do this one really cool thing, but it's a gift, and apparently I need nitro. I don't have.
Oh, sadly, for that you have to you can only do that with pictures only. You have to have nitro to do gifs.
And I only have gifts.
Go to Google and then search up what you want and then save image as, and then boom. You have to use right click to do it, I think. Oh, here's the restaurant table. Throw down those weapons, and I'll assure you be spared. After seeing what the king will do to us, we wouldn't dare. I don't wanna hurt you. Trust me, I've come prepared. Brothers, come and arm yourself. There's a chance for us to win. Anyways, guys, this might be the end of part 1 of working on a Piggy map. Today, I'm almost done with the McDonald's. Gabriel is working on the Cell Arena from Cell Games, Dragon Ball Z. If you guys would love to see more, Hold on, let me tell him. And if you guys would love to see more, yeah, just, comment more Piggy, and then I shall try I'll try forcing Gable into a call. I'll put a gun to his head and say, get into a call or something. I don't know. Why are you placing guns around the shop?
Because, what was that? Wait, not just one gun and for one person, and the ammo is over there.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of what we done so far, because this is the end of episode 1 of Piggy Piggy map making. There's the McDonald's. The inside isn't done yet, so I'll show you that later. And then we got the Cell Games Arena, which I'm not sure if Gabriel's done with it or not.
It's pretty well done. Just I want to add one.
I accidentally
few
added a
other
restaurant
things.
table. Let me
That's fine. Just.
And if you guys want to see more, hit the like and subscribe button. Comment down more, and I shall post more. And yeah, I'm not sure if you guys would want more, but yeah, so on. I'm probably gonna get into a game tomorrow with Gabriel, and we're probably gonna hopefully get most of it done, because on my VR I'm too slow. I don't know why. Anyways, let's do the intro. I'm Brandy. This is G-Rod, and this is us, the digital duo, signing out. Bye bye.